Hello guys, so this is my 2000 CBR 600 F4 and today we'll be installing the Puig tire hugger. So I got the carbon fiber one luckily, so I'll be installing that on this bike. So yeah, so for starters, this is going to help with all the dust and grime that gets accumulated over here on the rear suspension. Since I stay in an area with a lot of dirt and bad roads, I don't want all the dust to go inside my shock absorber, so I wanted to always get this, and finally I have that. So to install this, you'll have to remove the axle bolt and the tire because it's not just gonna go there. So you have to you'll even have to remove this chain guard because that one has one. So yeah, look at this, how beautiful this is. It's a little dirty, I didn't clean it. It was kept up in my house for like a week or so, open, so that's why it's a little dirty. But yeah, so we'll have to open a few bolts here and there for the fixing, and let's see what all we get in the box, I mean the package. So all this were like, these all came with it, so few rubber grommets, screws, and the small part says CBR, is so cool. So I think this thing goes around here, something like this. It's gonna look so cool. Yeah, and they even gave like a small, what do you say, few things to understand. Yeah, I don't know if I need this. Yeah, a few different languages also, nice. Okay, what's this? Okay, some more stuff. Anyways, let's get on with it. So let me first try to remove the chain guard. So let me first try to remove the chain guard. So it's a hex 10 or something. It's a 10 size bolt, not a hex, sorry. Chain guard off. I even replaced the chain guard on this. That video should be on YouTube, on my channel. Check that out in case you need to replace this. Pretty easy one. So on the other side you have, these are size 8 bolts. So let's unscrew them. Oh, these are never opened properly. Oh shit, so this one is behind my exhaust. Gotta open the exhaust also for this. I'm going to remove them completely and clean them because I always wanted to clean it up down there, but then it's not really easy to clean stuff over there. This plate is supposed to go in like this. You can see. Can you see it? Yeah, so that's how it is supposed to go. So I gotta put these 4 rubber, whatever these are called, like washers, in the holes of this hugger. So let me put these inside. Okay, so it's around all the 4 holes. And that's how they look. So these go inside these like this. So they go in there like that. That's how it should be. So you have 4 of those for 4 of these, of course. I just removed the rear axle and the tire, so it is easy to mount this. So take your hugger and place it in the spot. Clean any dust and grime that you want to clean. So yeah, I reinstalled the tire and put the mud guard, and then put the 2 Allen keys over here, and then 2 Allen keys on this side on top, and I put these bigger bolts that they gave me over here, and now it's perfect. The clearance is good enough. That's how it looks. I'll put a few more pictures so you can see it clearly.